Thank you so much, Elaine. And good afternoon and hello, everybody. Are you still awake? I think with that game, we are all awake, eh? All right. So, my task this afternoon is to discuss, to share, and to tell you about life changing experiences that I have with Hemohem. Before I talk about Hemohem, let me share something so personal. When Atomy found me, Hemohem was the first product I held in my hands. I don't know that this little sachet in my hand changed my energy, my health, and my mission in life. Today, I stand here this afternoon because Hemohem helped me stand strong. Let's discuss modern life and modern circumstances. Modern life nowadays dictates that we lived in a broken world. We get hurt, stressed out, sometimes we get tired, sometimes we have low energy, but then we have to push through, isn't it? I do not know among this on the screen which one really stood out on yourself. Sometimes we felt chronic fatigue. I do not know if you know that term. And most especially this very strange term, oxidative stress. I think medical people or nurses are only the one who knew this. This is inside in our body, in our cells, that sometimes due to stresses, there are cell damages from free radicals. Also, there are people who have immune imbalances. Their defenses in their body really weaken. And the most common, I think Asians do have this, metabolic health risk, which commonly layman's term what we call obesity. And so, among those, for me, what stood out is the feeling of being fatigued, especially in these modern times that we lived in. Now, what causes fatigue? You can see there in the screen, there are a lot causes there. You have muscle pain, you have headache fatigue, you have indigestion, frequent colds, body discomfort, weight changes, forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating. Oh, hair loss would sometimes also be one of those. And the symptoms that you are feeling not refreshed even after sleep. Now, those are just the common symptoms. I do not know if you're still feeling differently, but those are the modern fatigue that experiences by common people. Now, let's discuss about health information before we leave that health fatigue. So, when we talk about health information, we're talking about immune system, immunity. Do you hear those words? That word? So let's discuss what is immunity. When we say immunity, it is our body's defenses to fight off stresses, or inside we call it bacteria, viruses, or some other dangerous microorganism that might get in or harbor in our body. Now the solution for that to counteract, there are a lot of products, supplements in the market to counteract those, because those anti-immunity in our body, the free radicals one, could lead us to have the feeling of fatigue. Now, how do health function foods help strengthen or boost our immunity? Well, it's just basically increase the immune system, right? But we have these so many undesirable immune responses in our body that sometimes it can harm more farther in our system, leading to feeling those symptoms of fatigue. Now we have a product in our atomy who can counteract those feeling of stresses or fatigue or even low our immune system. Now I'm talking about the famous Hemohem. So this is Hemohem. Hemohem is not just another supplement. It's a well-developed supplements immune formula created to help our body produces stronger, more active immune system or immune cells, and thereby help fight the feeling of fatigue. Now let's dissect first the name Hemohem. Hemo would mean blood or hemoglobin. HI would mean immune or immunity. M is the modulation or the balancing. That's why it's logical to say hemohem is regulating our body system to increase immune system and to boost up those immunity in our body, or what we call the immune booster in our body. So the purpose of this product is to help our body create stronger, more active immune cells in the cells. This is the number one best-selling health supplements worldwide. As far as I know, we can claim that as Atomians. And this is developed in Kyrie, or developed by Kyrie, I mean. Kyrie, we say Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. It's a research company that does a lot of produce health products, not only health products, but also research some Korean skincares. Now, it backs with 8 years of government research and is patented, and this one is or has herbal formulation. Now, I mentioned about Kyrie scientists, right? Or Kyrie company or science research. Now, HemoHem was created because the scientists needed a way to protect their own immune system while doing some research program in that enclosure kind of place. That's how HemoHem was born, out of necessity, but then they further go to make it more science-based and with innovation. So it come out as has a stronger immunity factor. Thereby, the result of that formula is what they call HemoHem complex formulation. When we say about complex formulation, the name itself may be complex, but it's not really that complex. These are the three main basic herbal extract formulation, 100% herbal formulation for that matter. So when you compare with other products, the other products out there in the market is not really plant-based, but this one is. So what each of those plant-based components does in this HemoHem product. So the one supports circulation and immunity is what we call angelica, or it's so difficult to pronounce, but it's the dongyu root. The other one is white peony. It supports recovery and internal balance, meaning it leads to helping out if you've experienced pain. It's energy booster, and somehow it supports the liver functioning. The last one will be Synergium officinale, which supports hormonal and circulatory health system. Now, basically, when we say hormones, it regulates hormones and the blood formation, and thereby it lowers blood pressure. So those who have a high blood pressure, if you take HemoHem, then it can help you out lower the blood pressure. Now that these three herbal ingredients would together form a traditional effect, which is what we call an energy booster, helps out immune function, and thus help you recover from any symptoms of those fatigue experiences. Well, I've discussed about Kyrie, the scientific institution that made some research in Korea. Now let's discuss the science behind HemoHem. How HemoHem works in our body. So we have what we call the cells, the T cells, the B cells, and the macrophages. But basically, HemoHem, number one, activates the natural killer cells. What does it does? It helps increase the defense system in our body, thereby helping our immune system to respond faster and stronger in any invasion of those stressful cells. The second one is those T cells, B cells, HemoHem enhances them, increases them, that would support somehow their growth, thereby helping fight infections and maintaining immune balance. The last one would the circulation and the oxygen flow in our body. I've mentioned a while ago, decreases blood pressure, right? So this one does it, that the herbal extract helps out expand the blood vessels, improve oxygen delivery, and thus reduces fatigue, and at the same time, hereby help us out in decreasing the blood pressure in our body. So HemoHem, with combine all of this science, will become more immune booster, and it helps out not only in our outlook makeup, but inside in your body. It does the work. We might not see it, unlike the synergy, you can see the effect outside. But this one, it's targeting the inside immunity in our body. There you go, the Hemohem, which works in our body. It would support health inflammation response, and it helps you recover more faster to all those inflammation, attack of diseases, or any other stresses, symptoms that you had, which leads to fatigue. I've mentioned that it is patented a while ago, right? Meaning, with its government research, which is developed by Kyrie, it has a long, long history of research. Thereby, it's designed originally to be, well, I think it's meant to be the number one immune product, counter-immune product in the market, the number one commonly now. Now, this one proves it. Why should we take Hemohem? Because it's perfect for those people who have the following: people who get sick easily, people who are professionals, who are very busy, shift workers for that matter, students who are always under and overstressed, seniors, yeah, it can be you, seniors who are needing vitality, like me, I'm near to that gauge, parents and caregivers, anyone rather for those who have low energy. And then in Christchurch, I would just like to challenge us, especially those who are working, migrants workers, either those who are locals too, who have been working, community volunteers, business owners, or business owners, yes, because we have sometimes a lot of headaches, so stresses, healthcare workers, shift workers. Well, I would challenge us here in Christchurch. Let's buy and take Hemohem. See how it goes. How to take Hemohem. So, one sachet twice daily, but can also be once. You normally take once a day, but then the highly recommended to cover you for that fatigue kind of symptoms. You will have, for best results, take two or twice consistently. It would be best taken 30 minutes before meals. And also, you can mix this with water or with juices to have a good taste or flavor there. For longer use term, very safe. Why? Because the components, the products has plant components. And so long term, you're guaranteed that it's safer. A simple habit of this would lead you to a different and unique experience of Hemohem. When you say what makes Hemohem different out there in the market and very unique, well, one, it's developed by a government institution that's guaranteed with 8 years of long research. Other products probably don't have that capacity or don't have that experiences. The next is, again, I've mentioned about government institutions, 8 years, imagine that, of extensive research. It's not just like playing games here. This is real. And so, the other probably products out there would have limited short-term research base. But this one has a long. And then another thing, the formulation, the plant-based is patented, and even the whole product are all patented. Somebody or someone or other products are using those non-patented formulas, perhaps. Another thing that this one, what makes different from the other one, from the other product in the market, is that the synergy of herbal and products. Herbal means plant-based, and the science behind it. What it does in our body inside, which I've mentioned a while ago. Some other products may not contain those. Then the last one is well-loved and trusted worldwide. Not only worldwide, but specifically, I would like to point out myself and our stories, my husband and me. Let me share my own journey with Hemohem and how Hemohem changed my life. So my husband, every spring, even summer, even winter, and he had always had what we call an effect of hay fever. Clogged nose, cough and colds, could not sleep at night time. I said to him, well, I've heard this Hemohem. Somebody, colleagues, said to me that, hey, take Hemohem. It took away my hay fever. And I said, let's try that. And then somebody told me, try it for 30 days and then see how it goes. So he tried for 30 days, and lo and behold, boom, it's not magic, but it takes 30 days to have it tried. So, yes, now he don't experience anymore the symptoms of hay fever. So that's really amazing. And so I said, yay, so let me take mine too. Let's see how it goes. And so, yes, what does it had an effect on me? My low energy, my sense of vitality and well-being really does increases. And now I'm part of Atomy. What's behind the success of this product? Well, millions of boxes sold annually. You're just surprised. I was just surprised. Really? I mean, not only in one country, but look at that, sold in 19 plus countries. You do your own part, you research it, you Google it, you check it out. I did check it out, but I was just so amazed. No? And almost all of these countries trusted the product. We call it a global science, a healthier tomorrow, a healthier Christchurch. I would go each houses. I would knock the door. Probably in Ralston, I would start that. So, currently, we have 22 patents with this and 35 research papers for this to back up HemHem, and number one sales in the same industries, meaning in the same industries, in the same health supplements for immune booster. This is number one in consecutive years. And cumulatively, my goodness, look at that, 2.4 billion, I do not know, in sales. And 19 countries who trusted this one. So there you go. And you will be questioning, how much is the price? Look at that, 155, 60 sachets for inside of this. I should have opened one. Yeah, 60 sachets. Thank you for that, Joyce. And you divide that for how much for each? See? And the family's been covered for any fatigue, illnesses, or symptoms, or for immunity, for our immune system, immune booster for that matter. So premium quality, trusted worldwide, backed by science, loved by millions, loved by J. Reforial. And so, Christchurch, hey, let's have an impact here, now, onwards. Let's think of our families. Let's think of their energy level. Hopefully, through this, we can have that, gaining energies. Let's work and think of those workmates we have. We hope that they can hear this. I'm pretty sure, I hope that they will come and hear this, because this would also be helpful for those working mothers, working families who wanted to recover faster with different illnesses or stresses. And then for leaders who are out there, like we have some leaders here in their own way in their workplaces, then please, business individuals like us, let's have HemHem to cover us. And then to improve our focus more so, please, hopefully, with what I say, you will try it and you will buy it. Let's start now. Now, I think in your pouches you have, and later on, Elaine will announce. Start with our health. Invest with our health. Do not invest with so many others, but start with your health, right? And so, let's do daily steps towards stronger immunity and stronger body system. And for that, this is J. Reforial. Thank you.